Hotep, brothers and sisters. This is Professor Oran Z coming at you, this time doing something a little bit unusual for me. I am actually doing an unboxing. Well, not really an unboxing because I'd unboxed it before, but I found this product that I thought was really wonderful. Jorgens K. Let me show you what's in this kit. First off, it comes with instructions on how to handle your mustache or your beard. It's called the Jorgens K Beard Kit. Now, I don't wear a beard, but I do have a mustache. As a black man, it's really hard to find products that is good for my mustache. And you know, I've been sporting a mustache for a long time. Now let me show you what's in this kit. I think it's awesome. It comes with a comb. It comes with a brush. And this is a boar hair brush. Now, when I was a young man, they used to call this a club brush because most of the brothers that sported the beards and mustaches would buy the club products. It comes with a oil. Now this is a beard oil. And it comes in a dropper bottle. I've never seen a dropper like that either. It's got like a little nib on the end of the dropper. Kind of interesting. And it works. It smells great. It's a natural scent. And it says that it's 100% natural. It also comes with a beard balm. Also 100% natural. And here's how the balm looks. More instructions on the back. We'll open it up. It virtually has no smell at all. And as you see, it has really handled my mustache. And I have a terrible time because I have a kinky, let's say, mustache. But this, you put it between your fingers, you warm it up a little bit, and voila. And I also use it on my eyebrows a little bit. And man, really nice. Now, it also comes in the box, it also has a traveling bag with it. So now you can put all your little stuff right in this little ergonomic. Put all your stuff in this ergonomic bag. They didn't give me this product. I purchased this product, but I liked it so much that I thought that I would share it with you, my friends, my family, right here on this platform. So if you like it, give it a try. We do have products that we recommend here at the museum, and I'm going to put some affiliate links down below that you can go check out and save money, and just tell them that Professor Oran Z sent you. Not only would you get a discount on some of these items, such as web hosting and web design. For years, I have been a faithful follower of WordPress, and WordPress is the best word hosting software out there. Now, there are two WordPresses. There's WordPress.org, which is free, and there's WordPress.com, which you have to pay for. Don't get the paid version at this time. I recommend the free version. And if you get it, get a hosting program at Siteground, and I'll put a link down below. And that is what you want to go with. You do not want to go with one of these systems where you have to pay to do a website for the rest of your life. With these programs, you can get a free website up and running. If you're going to pay for a theme-based program, I would recommend Elegant Themes. They've got Divi and Elementor, and you could get a one-time offer, a 1-month offer, or a lifetime offer. and it's the best out there, and it works beautifully with WordPress. And WordPress is where you want to go. You don't want to get hooked up with one of these little guys that calls and says, hey, you know what? I've created a website. Let me show you how. Because you'll be hooked up with a company that will charge you every month for that website. And if you ever decide to change that website, you're not going to take that content with you. You'll take that domain name with you, but you will not take that content with you. So, just a word to the wise. If you're going to do a website, do it on WordPress. And if you're going to pay for a theme-based program, do it on Elegant Themes. God bless.